Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to discuss some of the MCQs from 10th of September which will be helpful for your test IFT or SAT examination. So this year we had some 82 final selections in the test 2023 batch, okay, and in HRM we had 11 selections. So we have 3 courses this year, that is for general awareness and Quant LRDI and English, that will also include speaking. The cost of each of the course is 2000. If you want to enroll to all of them, you can do that at just 5000. That is, there will be a discount of 1000. And if you want to enroll to that course, you will have to text me at 7764869624. Now coming to the first question of today, it says, which of the following ranking or report is released by NIRF, Ministry of Education? So there is a body called National Institute Ranking Framework. Okay, now it comes out with a report every year. So you have to identify which of the following report is the report by NIRF, which is under Ministry of Education. A says ASA report, B says PISA report, C says SECI report, and D says India rankings. Okay, so these are the 4 options. All of them are important and all of them are related to education. The first one, that is ISA report, is a report which is brought by Pratham NGO. Similarly, PISA report or PISA ranking is a ranking of schools by OECD countries. Then SECI is a report by Niti Aayog. So your homework for today is you have to write down the full form of ASER as well as SECI in the comment below, and also just write which organization comes with ASA report and which comes with SECI. I already told you that. Now the answer to this will be India ranking. As you can see, this was first page news that IIT's top centers ranking for 2021. Okay, now second question is also quite important because it is somewhat related to LR part of HRM and LR. It says, which of the following company decided to shut down the manufacturing plants in India, which might cause 4,000 job losses? Okay, and 4,000 is the direct figure. It will further lead to further ancillary job losses. So the job loss will be great. So it is important because while in essays or in TestNet also, or for example, while you speak something, some extempore, you can cite this figure or you can cite this example. The options are A says Royal Enfield, B says Ford Motors, C says Honda Motors, and D says Hyundai Motors. Okay, so answer to this will be Ford Motors. Okay, now come to question number 3. It says, who among the following is not among the musical trinity of Carnatic classical music? A says Muthuswami Dikshidhar, B says Shyama Sastry, C says Tyagarajan, and D says Purandara Dasa. So all the 4 names are related to Carnatic classical music. Okay, they all are great proponents, but who among them is not among the trinity of classical music or Carnatic classical music? Well, the answer to that will be Purandara Dasa. He is basically regarded as the Pitamaha of Carnatic music, and the 3 above are the trinity. Okay, they are Muthuswami Dikshidhar, Shyama Sastry, and Tyagarajan. And there was an article in the Hindu regarding Dikshidhar, that is Muthuswami Dikshidhar. Now come to question number 4. It says the name. Now come to question number 4. It says the name Mayavaram Saraswati Ammal is associated with. So A says Nadaswaram, B says Khamod, C says Mridangam, and D says flute. Okay, so she was a proponent of which of the following? Here also there was a news in the Hindu, so she was related to flute. Okay, and come to question number 5. It says Memory of the World program. So there is a program called Memory of the World program, to which India is showing very lukewarm response, and the news was regarding that only. Is an initiative by which of the following? A says World Cultural Council, B says British Museum, C says UNESCO, and D says World Culture Open. Okay, so the answer to this will be UNESCO. It is a program of UNESCO, Memory of the World program. Now come to question number 6. It was also there in the Hindu, that is why it is quite important, and it was written there that Pandit Shobhendra Rao is a famous proponent of a particular instrument of international repute. Okay, so that is why he becomes important and you should be knowing about him. So A says sitar, B says veena, C says sarangi, and D says violin. The answer to this will be sitar. Okay, he is a proponent of sitar, Pandit Shobhendra Rao. Now come to question number 7. It says dugong is a herbivorous marine animal often called the sea cow. So India is going to come up with first dugong conservation reserve to preserve this vulnerable species at which of the following locations? A says Tamil Nadu, B says Kerala, C says Gujarat, and D says Odisha. Okay, so the answer for this will be Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now come to question number 8. It says Samvatsari is a festival of which of the following religion or sect? A says Buddhism, B says Nathapanthis, C says Anandamargis, and D says Jainism. So here also the answer was quite easy. The answer will be Jainism. And Samvatsari is a festival where you ask for forgiveness. Okay, so it is a festival of forgiveness. Okay. So this was all for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching.